iOS 26 brings an exciting new visual upgrade called Spatial Wallpaper. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set them up on your iPhone. These wallpapers create a dynamic 3D light depth effect that moves with your device, giving your lock screen a whole new life. Before I begin, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. It really helps out the channel. Now here's something important. This feature works only on any iPhone running iOS 26 except the iPhone 11 and 11 Pro series. So if you have an iPhone 12 or newer, you are all set. I'm currently on the home screen, but let's move to our lock screen editor. Swipe down from the top to open notification center. Now long press anywhere on the screen. When the option appear, tap customize at the bottom. This will take you into the lock screen customization panel. Next, I'm going to change my wallpaper by selecting a new photo. And here's a tip for the best spatial effect. Use photos with people, pets, or anything with a clear subject and background. These give the 3D motion effect much more depth. After choosing your wallpaper, tap the small icon located next to the three dots in the top right corner. Your iPhone will analyze the photo for a few seconds. Once done, the spatial 3D effect will be activated automatically. Tilt your iPhone left, right, up, and down. You will instantly notice the depth effect moving with your device. And that's it. That's how you enable and enjoy the new spatial wallpaper feature on iOS 26. I hope you liked the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.